Hey, g'day, it's Craig from KickAss, and look what I've got here, our 60 centimetre 12 volt magnetic LED light strip. These things are absolutely fantastic. Look at this, we've got amber light and we've got our white light. Now these are all dimmable as well, which is absolutely fantastic. These things put out 600 lumens. How cool is that? Unlike me, they're waterproof. So these things are great for outdoor and permanent installations, and we do include the fixed wiring as well. So you can do a couple of different adaptations to it. What I've done is I've made up a cigarette lighter socket for one end. I've made an Anderson plug up for the other end. The sky's the limit to how you want to hook these up. It is magnetic as well. Check this out. You ripper. So there you have it, the KickAss 60 centimetre 12 volt magnetic LED light strip. So head online, head to our Sunshine Coast store in Kawana, or head to our Brisbane shop south of Acacia Ridge. You absolute ripper.